Are you looking for the best pressure cookers? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best pressure cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo. Material: stainless steel. Dimensions: 12.2 inch dx 13.38, wx 12.48, h capacity, 3 QT or 6 QT accessories, steamer rack. This Instant Pot, the #1 bestseller on Amazon, has a serious following with an average 4.7 star rating from over 100,000 reviews. In our tests, it earned high scores in nearly every test, and it was one of the few we tested that made evenly cooked rice. It also aced our pressure cooking and slow cooking beef stew tests. The controls are intuitive and include settings for making soup, meat, stew, beans, poultry, rice, yogurt, and other Instant Pot recipes. It offers both high and low pressure settings, a benefit because different foods may require different cooking pressures. Though in testing, it took longer than other models to release its pressure naturally. While it doesn't feature many functions like more advanced cookers, this model is great for beginners or people who don't need as many bells and whistles. What we love the most about this model is its reasonable price, just under $100. We recently got our hands on the Instant Pot Rio and look forward to testing. Unlike other Instant Pot models, it features a progress indicator and rubber grips to prevent the inner pot from moving while you sauté. Related: easy Instant Pot recipes to make the most out of your appliance. Number 2. Cosori Pressure Cooker. Material: stainless steel. Dimensions: 12.6 inch dx 13.4, wx 12.5, h capacity, 6 QT accessories, steamer rack. This model from Cosori has a total of 13 cooking features including rice, steam, sauté, and more. The best part? This pressure cooker retails for under $100 and often goes on sale for as little as $75. In our most recent tests, this multi-cooker made delicious beef stew, which was so tender that the meat fell apart under the slight pressure of a fork. While the meat was tender, we noticed some vegetables were slightly mushy and overcooked. During testing, GH pros loved the interior marking on the inside of the pot, which lists the 1/2 and 2/3 capacity levels along with the pressure cooker maximum so you don't overfill when cooking. The Cosori also did well when browning, though we did notice that the meat towards the back of the cooker wasn't as brown as the rest. It also performed well during our rice test. The rice was evenly cooked in the center of the pot as well as the edges, which can sometimes overcook depending on the pressure cooker being used. While the grains were slightly sticky when stirring and serving, the rice was separate and tender when tasting. Number 3. Instant Pot Pro. Material: stainless steel. Dimensions: 14.4 foot, dx 13.9, wx 14.2, h capacity, 8 QT accessories, steaming rack. If you're looking for an Instant Pot upgrade with advanced settings, look no further. The Instant Pot Pro has 10-in-1 functionality, including pressure cook, slow cook, steamer, and sous vide, just to name a few. This model also offers 5 programmable presets for your own recipes. The Pro has 2 pressure levels: high, 10.2 to 11.6 psi, and low, 5.8 to 7.2 psi. The stainless steel base was simple to clean and any stuck-on food came off with ease. The pot also has silicone handles which make picking up a hot or warm pot safe and easy. When testing, the Pro had the second highest score for coming to pressure. It pressurized in just 27 minutes. While it didn't perform as well during the natural pressure release test, it was able to release pressure in a little over 4 minutes using the quick release button. The push button on the top of the machine allows for a quick and safe pressure release and has a plastic-covered steam valve. Number 4. Breville Fast Slow Pro Multi-Function Cooker. Material: stainless steel. Dimensions: 12.01 inch dx 12.01, wx 12.99, h capacity, 6 QT accessories, steamer basket and rack. The Fast Slow Pro is swankier than most pressure cookers, and it offers tons of customizable cooking settings. You can control the precise temperature and pressure level from 1.5 to 12 psi, and you can choose between auto quick, auto pulse, or natural pressure release. It even has an altitude adjust feature. Just program your current altitude, and it will fine-tune the time and temperature settings to match your boiling point. Settings are included for vegetables, rice, soup, meat, bone-in meat, chili, stew, dessert, and more. Unlike other models we tested, however, it did not have a delay start setting. During testing, this produced the most tender pressure-cooked stew out of all the machines we tested, leaving the meat and veggies perfectly cooked and the broth rich in color and flavor. And perhaps best of all, though it's a relatively sophisticated appliance, testers found the LCD screen and knob controls intuitive and easy to use. Number 5. Zavor Duo 8.4 Quart Pressure Cooker. Material: stainless steel. Dimensions: 17.7-inch dx 10.7, wx 9.3 h. Capacity: 8.4 qt. Accessories: steamer basket and recipe book. Stovetop pressure cookers require manual adjustment and attention but aren't as scary as some may think. When using this cooker, for example, pressure won't build if the safety lock isn't properly closed, and it will not open until the pressure has been released. What sets this particular stainless steel stovetop cooker apart is how well it performed in testing. During the beef stew test, it produced tender meat and vegetables, thanks to its ability to reach 15 psi. This model has 2 psi levels, 8 and 15, and the handle was easy to hold and grip, which helped with control when opening and closing the lid. After testing, there was some stuck-on food, but it wiped off easily with a sponge. The pressure indicator was easy to see during testing, and the lid locks when the cooker contains pressure, so there is no need to worry about opening the lid prematurely. Note that this model is heavier and larger than others we tested, so it requires more counter or storage space.